this video, we will discuss what will happen if you falsely dispute a credit card charge. So, I have in here some transaction charges. And for example, you falsely dispute the credit card charge. What will happen is it's actually punishable by law and could lead to fines or imprisonment depending on what you have done. This is because it's considered a form of fraud. So, you may get some fines depending on your state. Fines for credit card fraud can reach thousands of dollars as it often classified as a felony. So there are also some court costs and you may incur significant expenses related to court appearances if the financial institution takes legal action against you. So it will also incur jail time. Although this kind is rare, it is possible to face jail time for committing fraud through false disputes, particularly for severe spaces. So they actually have some impact as well on your banking relationships. So on some cases, banks may close your account if they determine that you've filed false dispute, and merchants may add you to a blacklist, preventing future transactions with them, which can hinder your ability to shop at the stores again. So take note, don't ever do it.